Hey, thanks for joining me, Yoga Your Heart Out with Deb. Congratulations on taking a few moments out of your day just to relax and disconnect from everything else. Let's get started. All you need is your body and your yoga mat. And today we'll start in child's pose. So go ahead and get on your knees, bring your big toes together, sit your butt back down on your heels, draw your body down the center, let your forehead rest on the mat, and then just start settling in. Allow your body a few moments just to kind of disconnect from everything, whatever you just came from. Good, and try to narrow your attention down to the perimeter of this yoga mat. And I want you to right away just start thinking and paying attention to your breathing. How's your breathing? How does it feel? Notice it in, the sensations, the inhales, the exhales. Are they shallow, deep? I don't know. Just settle in. I'm going to give you a couple suggestions that you can try as we move and breathe. The first one is just right away start sealing your lips off and breathing in and out of your nose. Good, and then to add on to that, make the breath really deep. So as you inhale, just fill up your lungs like massive, massive balloons. And as you exhale, press the air all the way out. Good. If you want, you can make the breath a little noisy. How you do that is you constrict the back of your throat just a little bit as you exhale, so you hear that subtle sound of H. All right, and these are all just suggestions, and the nice thing is, with these suggestions, it does require you to focus on your breath. And when you're focused, that means you're present and in the moment, and you're working and building that awareness. And your mind doesn't really have anywhere else to go because it's really zoned in and focused on this breath. So that's why it's such an amazing tool as we move and as we breathe. So try to carry it with you through your practice. Take another inhale, reach long with your hands and your arms. Exhale, come to hands and knees, tabletop position. Go ahead and line your wrists up with your shoulders, knees with your hips. Inhale, hammock your belly. Press your butt back. Look up slightly. Let your shoulders slide away from your ears. This is called cow pose. Let's go to cat pose. Exhale, tuck and round dome. Everything up and in. All right, cow pose. Hammock your belly, look up. And cat pose, dome the spine. One more time. Inhale, hammock your belly. And then exhale, dome the spine. Good, go ahead and find neutral spine, tabletop position. You're going to go ahead and take a spinal balance pose here. So you're going to go ahead and bring your right leg out behind you. Go ahead and flex that right foot towards the wall behind you. Keep that hip squared. So your toes are facing down towards the mat. Good. Try to keep your gaze down in between your thumbs, keeping your neck in line with the spine. Now get really strong in that right palm, okay? Really press into that right hand. When you're ready, bring your left arm up off of the mat, thumb up to the ceiling, reach long. Flex to that right foot, reach with those left fingertips, and press strongly into the mat. Nice and long, you got it. Imagine you're finding a hidden inch in your spine. Good, really lengthen. By the way, if you wobble and fall, that happens too. It's not a big deal. Come back to it. Sometimes it helps to gaze where that left hand used to be. Good. Take another inhale, reach long, and then exhale, set it back down to tabletop position. From here, let's go ahead and stretch out your right shoulder. Okay, so inhale your right arm up beside you. Exhale, bring that right arm behind the left arm. Roll onto the right shoulder, head down. You can bring your left forearm down to the mat if you like. Breathe. Close your eyes. So just click that right shoulder. So a little stretch here can be nice. Take another inhale. All right. Press into the mat with your left hand. Bring that right arm up beside you one more time, and then right hand down to the mat. All right, let's take the balance on the other side. So you're gonna bring your left leg behind you. Flex the left heel towards the back wall. left toes down towards the mat. Right arm overhead, right thumb to the ceiling, getting nice and long. Gaze down where that right hand needs to be. That'll help with your balance and help keep your neck in line with your spine. Good, really lengthen. Press the left foot, reach with the right fingertips, press the floor away with the left hand. Good, take another massive inhale, reach, 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 reach. Exhale, set it down, tabletop position. All right, let's stretch out that left shoulder. So inhale, left arm up to the left, and then slide it behind the right arm, and down to your left shoulder, head down to the mat. Good, hold here. Breathe, bottom belly breaths. Go back to that foundation that we set up because that got away from you, that breathing. All right. Take another massive inhale. Use your right palm to press into the mat. Bring your left arm up beside you, and then set it in. Go and line your wrists back up with your shoulders, and then we'll take 3 cat-cows. So inhale, hammock your belly, look up, and then exhale, tuck and round. Inhale, hammock your belly, and then exhale, tuck and round one more time. Inhale, hammock, and then exhale, tuck and round. Go ahead and tuck your toes under, press your butt to the sky, downward facing dog. So you're looking upside down V here. Palms are flat, fingers are spread. Good. Shake your head yes and no. Make sure you're not hanging out any tension in your neck. All right, now from here, take your feet as wide as your mat. Walk your hands back. Good, so you're in a kind of a wide-legged forward fold at the back of your mat, just hanging heavy. Good, relax your neck, relax your head. All right, take another inhale here. Go ahead and walk your hands back up to downward facing dog, and you can bring your feet closer together. All right, now from here, we're going to take an inhale, and as we do, we're going to shift to a plank position. So here we go. Inhale, bring your shoulders over your wrists. Good, to plank pose. Draw your belly up and in. Keep your gaze in between your thumbs as you press the floor away nice and strong. Take one more inhale and then press it back, downward facing dog. We're going to do that 4 more times. Here we go. Inhale, plank, and hold. Draw the belly up. You got it. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. 2 more times. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Last time. Inhale, plank. And then exhale, down dog. All right, drop your knees. We're going to take a puppy dog or melting heart pose. You're going to go ahead and walk your hands out. Maybe your forehead comes to the mat. Maybe if you have a lot of flexibility, your chest or your chin comes to the mat. It's up to you. Good. Your body will definitely tell you if you go too far, so be careful. All right. Go ahead and slowly bring your body back up. Wrists in line with your shoulders again. Take your toes under, butt to the sky. We're going to do that 1 more time. 5. Count of 5. Here we go. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. 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 1 more time. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Drop your knees. Bring your big toes together. Child's pose. Forehead to the mat. Good. Now from here, go to hands and knees and bring your knees closer together. Sit your butt back on your heels. And if you want, you can bring your arms down by your sides. Palms up to the ceiling. That can feel really good on your shoulders too. Good. Take another breath. All right, go ahead and come back up to hands and knees tabletop position. You're gonna go ahead and sit back on your butt. Okay, you're gonna lie down on your back. Good, bring your knees into your chest. I want you to hang onto your right knee, let your left leg go straight. Take your left hand onto your right knee, let your right arm go open to the right, and then draw the left knee over to the left. You can gaze up at the ceiling or turn your gaze to the right. Close your eyes. Breathe into it. Relax something every time you exhale, even if it's small. Could be your jaw. Could be that little space between your forehead. Maybe it's your right shoulder. I don't know. All right, take another inhale. As you exhale, roll to the center. Bring both knees into your chest. Hang onto the left knee, let the right leg go straight. Use your right hand, place on your left knee. Open your left arm to the left. If you want, you can scoot your hips over just a little bit to help you take the left knee over to the right. Gaze up at the ceiling or turn your gaze to the left. Hold here. Again, close your eyes, but don't let go of that breath just yet. Keep breathing. Concentrate on that deep breath, massive exhales. All right, inhale. And then roll to the center. Bring both knees into your chest. Squeeze everything one final time. Bring your forehead up to meet your knees. Just squeeze. And then Svanasana. Go ahead and extend your legs out. Arms down by your sides. Close your eyes. Take 3 to 5 minutes here if you've got it. Maybe hit the pause button and just relax. You deserve it. Alright, maybe hit the pause button. Maybe you're with me. I'm going to wrap this thing up. So I like to get out slowly. I'm going to gently turn to one side and very gently bring my body all the way up and come to an easy cross-legged position. Hands heart center. I hope you feel better than when you started today. I hope you're able to let go of some of that stress and tension in your mind and in your body. I hope you have a wonderful day. Namaste.